could be a good fish. God, I got a tangle right there. Oh, stay on. This feels like a heavier fish here. Oh, don't get too close. Don't, he might bite you. Oh, yeah. Look at him tickling. He's a good sized one. It's definitely a heavier fish, honey. This could be the big one of the day so far. Oh, this is a heavy fish. He's going to come out of the hole in a second. No, he isn't. There he goes. This is a good fish. This is a good one. This is a nice one. This could be the big one of the day so far. Get my gaff ready just in case he decides to come out. Okay, he's about 10 feet away now. Hopefully I can see him. No. Ooh, boy, he's a nice one. This is a... Oh, he wants to take way more line out. That's going to go at least 12 pounds. Unless he's hooked in the tail. Okay, he's 10 feet away. Oh, he's big, whatever. This is a big fish. This is real big.
Holy moly!
This is a nice fish. This is a good fish.
I hope my battery lasts as long.
What's that?
My battery's almost gone, but at least we got a close-up, huh?
Yeah, he's going to be coming out this time, hopefully.
Oh my goodness, that was a good size.
This is a nice fish.
Show me your smile. What makes you happy, Tim?
A big fish. Come on. Oh, yeah. He's got a lot of fight in him. This is like the 5th time he's ran. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh my goodness. Oh, you did it. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe it. Can you hold that up so How much you think?
I don't know. It's, I'd say 12, 13. That was a battle. That hurt my back.
Well worth it though.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut that one. I need the knife too.
Okay, I'm gonna shut it off.